Okay, students. So we were at the system.out.print statement. So SOP means system means a class, out is an object, and println is a function. So how actually this statement is going to be worked? See, we want to use a print function. Like whenever you want to print a statement, no. So whenever you want to print a statement, then you will have to use the function named as println. So now I think this is clear to you. Println is a function or short trick. Short trick ये है जब भी you will find out this parenthesis kind of thing after any kind of line, तो समझ जाना कि वो function. ओके मतलब किसी भी लाइन के आगे अगर आपको ये सर्कल ब्रैकेट दिखता है तो समझ जाओ कि वो फंक्शन, ये फंक्शन की पहचान है. ओके तो दिस प्रिंट एलन इज व्हाट, इट इज अ फंक्शन. ओके एंड आउट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट, आउट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सिस्टम इज अ क्लास. Because we want to use the function named as println, while let's say for example I want to print a statement named as hello, तो hello print करने के लिए I will have to use this whole statement ना system.out.println. So for that I'll have to use the println function. And मैंने बताया था whenever you want to use any kind of function or whenever you want to execute any kind of function, at that time you will need an object. I told you earlier in the class, no. So that means we are going to call println function with the object named as out. And this object is of which class? It is of system class. Again I am telling you, println is a function. Println, I am writing this statement here. Println is a function of class system, and OUT is the object used to call the function named as println. Okay, मतलब आप ये imagine करो, all of you imagine like this, there is a program already there in a Java package and the name of that program is system. उस system के अंदर there is a function named as println. Okay, now I want to use the function of println. So how will I use? I'll have to call that function now. And to call that function I have used here object named as OUT, and OUT is going to call the function named as println of which class? Of system class. So am I clear to you? Is system.out.println statement is clear to you, all of you students? Okay, so this question has already came. This question has already came in the examination also. In 10th board examination, this question has came in the form of objective. Okay, and one more thing, this is not given into your book. That's why I am telling you. Okay, so this is one of the most important topic which you should know. Now coming on to the next topic. Now I am going to start our next chapter named as the uh, elementary concept of classes and objects. Okay, so let's start class and object. Yesterday I have sent you a document in the 10th class group where I have sent a document of creation of class and calling the methods and how to create an object. Have you all seen that document? Now I'm going to open that document only. See, this document I sent you last day. So now coming on to the creation of class, how to make an object, how to call the function of a class, and finally I'll make a program in front of you by using class as an object. Now let's begin. See students, now देखो अभी तो जो हमने प्रोग्राम बनाया था वो प्रोग्राम क्या था? In that program what we did, we simply printed a statement by using in a simple program we simply printed some kind of statement. Okay, now what am I going to do is I'm going to make some function in the class, and in that function I'll to call that function I'll create object, and then with the help of object I'll call those function in my class. How will we do? Let's get started. Okay, now we all know how to create a class. We all know how do we create a class? क्लास स्पेस क्लास नेम, क्लास का नेम क्या दें स्टूडेंट्स, आंसर मी, class 10th. Okay, so I am giving the name as class 10th, and finally I'll open my braces and then I'll close my braces. Okay, देखो earlier what we did, we simply give our task into our program, into our main function. अब मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ कि I am going to create my own function. I am going to create my own function. Okay students, see earlier what we're doing, earlier what actually we were doing, we are having a class, and in the main function we were printing a statement. Main is a function, but now rather than main I am going to create one another my own function. Okay, so now how to create a how to create a function. Whenever you want to create a function, the point to be noted is function is always get create into your class, into the class only. Okay, so here I am going to create a function, and to create a function, the syntax of creating function is, all of you look at this document. See, this is the syntax. I have already written this here. To create a function, you will have to write return type, then function name, then open the curly braces and close the curly braces. I have already told you what is the meaning of return type and what is the meaning of function name. So now let's begin of making your own function. So what will I do? I'll simply create my function. For example, I want to give the function named as show. So now I will create my function. I'm using my return type as void, and the name of function I'm giving as show. Then open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis. Finally, open the curly braces, close the curly braces. And now I am going to write my work which I am going to perform in this practical. Okay. Now take an example. I want to make a program to print hello, but by the help of function. By the help of function, I want to create a program. So now what will I do? What is my function here? What is my task here? I want to print hello. No. So that's what I am going to write here also. So that I will write here system dot out dot print ln, and then I'll write here hello, and then finally I'll terminate my statement. Is this screen is visible to you? देखो हम क्या कर रहे हैं. Earlier what we're doing, I gave you a program of writing the name of your family members in a single program that I told you, no, and that you have done by writing system.out.print statement and simply in the main function that you have did. Now I am giving you the same task. I am again giving the same task but with the help of function. That means now you will have to create your own function, and the name of your family member you want to print by the help of those function. That means now you are going to create a function of your own. So now that I am telling you how to create your function. Okay, as I have already told you, to create a function you will have to write return type. So here the return type is void, the name of my function is show, and this is my task. ये मेरा task है. So that I have already completed. Now again I am sharing my screen. Okay, is my screen is visible to you all students? Okay, जो पढ़ा रही हूँ वो समझ में आ रहा है? Are you people understanding all these concepts? See, today's topic is very very important. है ना, जो स्टूडेंट्स आज प्रेजेंट नहीं है ना उनका बहुत बड़ा लॉस होने वाला है. Today's topic is really very important. Okay, so देखो now the thing is we have made this function. ये सभी को समझ में आया how to create a function? ओके देखो, सो फाइनली वी हैव क्रिएटेड आवर फंक्शन. अब मुझे क्या करना है, आई हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस कोड. I have to execute this code. Now why, how will I execute this code? See, I told you this is a function, no, ये class है, ये class का function है. And I told you earlier also, whenever you want to execute any kind of function you will have to create an object. I told you before, no, whenever you want to execute a function you will have to create an object of that class. Now it's time to create an object of a class. Okay, now let's see how to create object. Okay, look at this document. Now, how to create an object? Okay, see, to create an object, you will have to write class name space your object name is equals to new space class name. जावा इज ए केस सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज, तो जहाँ सिंटेक्स में जहाँ जहाँ पे मेंशन है कि कहाँ पर आपको स्पेस लगाना है तो वहाँ पे आपको स्पेस लगाना होगा. कल कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने ये मिस्टेक करी थी कि वहाँ पे सम ऑफ यू हैव रिटन class space my space family space member. No, you can't give any kind of space while giving the name of your class. Same thing apply with the naming of function also. Whenever you are going to name the function or name the class, that class name should come continuously, space can't come. Okay students, so all of you please note this point. Whenever you are going to name your class, don't add space while naming the class. Okay, so this is how we create an object. First of all, you have to write the name of your class, then space the name of object is equals to new space class name parenthesis, and then finally we are going to terminate our statement. One more thing is noted is whenever you are going to create an object, no, the object is always created in a main function. क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर? Object are always made in main function. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? I'll have to first create a main function. One more thing is एक फंक्शन में दूसरा फंक्शन नहीं आ सकता. एक फंक्शन में दूसरा फंक्शन नहीं आ सकता. हमने यहाँ पे क्लास बनाई है and what is the name of our class? The name of our class is here x and the function I have made is show. What is the name of my function? Show. Function के अंदर अब मैंने आपसे क्या कहा कि now to call that function I'll have to create an object. और ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे क्रिएट होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज क्रिएटेड इन अ मेन फंक्शन, है ना. तो मेन इज ऑल्सो अ फंक्शन एंड माई शो इज ऑल्सो अ फंक्शन. सो शो जब खत्म होगा मतलब आपका एक फंक्शन के अंदर दूसरा फंक्शन आप डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. आफ्टर एंडिंग द फर्स्ट फंक्शन on then only you can begin your new function. So now what will I do to create an object? I'll have to again write the same statement named as public static void main. Students, am I clear to you? जो बता रही हूँ समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, मुझे void show एक फंक्शन है, मतलब फंक्शन नेम इज what show. Now I want to execute this function. To execute this function, I'll have to create an object. वो ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे क्रिएट होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा मेन फंक्शन में ही क्रिएट होता है. So now I'll have to make a function named as public static void main. Okay, so now let's continue our topic. I am going to share my screen. Okay, is my screen is visible to you? So students, we have made this function. Now I want to execute this function. So now what will I do? I'll have to create an object. और object हमेशा मैं दोबारा से बार बार इसीलिए कह रही हूँ कि आप ये भूलो नहीं. Object create करने के लिए आपको main function लिखना पड़ेगा. So now I am doing what? I am here going to write my main function. So कैसे बनाते हैं main function? All of you tell me. How to make a main function, students? Yes, public static void main, then string args, yes, then open the curly braces and close the curly braces. So finally we have created our main function. Okay, Arihant, you are late in class. We have already studied our topic. Okay students, so now no problem, but be on time. Students, so now what I have done, I have simply made here my main function. Now I want to execute this function named as show. So to execute this function, I'll have to create an object, and the syntax of creating object is here. As you can see, I'll have to write the first class name. All of you please compare this page with the code. Class name, क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर? Class name. So what is my class name? Students, what is my class name here? The name of my class is what? X. So I will write here X space. Now class name, then क्या लिखना है आपको? Object name. Give the name of object. I am free to give any kind of name to my class. Okay, to my object. So for example, the name of my object I am giving is Saint Charles. The name of my object is what? St. Charles, okay, is equals to. Then what we'll have to do? We will have to write a letter named as new. New space class name. So now I will write here new space class name. What is the name of my class here? X. And then open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, and then finally semicolon. So this is the way to create object. Students, am I clear to you? Take an example. If suppose the name of my class is y, the name of my class is y. So now how will I create my object? Then here I will write what? Class name. The object of my name is St. Charles, new space class name. So this is the way to create your class. Okay, students. Now finally we have created our object. Now I want to call this function. I want to execute this function. To execute this function, the syntax to execute the function is, all of you look at this document, how to call a function. So syntax is object name dot function name. Object name dot function name. So here, what is the name of my object? The name of my object I gave is St. Charles. So that same thing I will write here, St. Charles dot. What is the name of my function which I want to call? The name of my function is show. So here I will write what? Show. S-H-O-W. Finally open the bracket, close the bracket, and done. So students, we are done with our program. आज का सेशन समझ में आया? Okay. So what we did, we have simply made our function named as show, and then we created an object of class, and with the help of that object I call the function named as show. So now I am going to implement this program in BlueJ. Students, I have already made a program here named, the name of my class here is Snap. Okay, all of you please look at this program. See, here I have mentioned each and every function also. The name of my class is what? Snap. Here, see, the name of my function is, the name of my class is Snap, and I have used here two functions. Please all of you look at this screen. I have used here two functions. The name of my first function is show, and second function is disp. In first function I am printing my first program, and in second function I am printing my first program second line. Now as you can see, we have made these two functions, no? So now I have to call this both function. So for that, what will I do? I'll again have to create an object. So to create an object, I've made here main function public static void main string args, and I have then created my object. The name of my object I used here is obj. So now as you can see, how to create an object? Class name. What is the name of our class here? Snap. Space object name. The name of my object is here what? Obj is equals to new space the name of our class is name. So fine, we have created our object, and with this help of this object I am going to call my function named as show and disp. Okay, that what am I doing? obj.show and obj.disp. So students, finally now we are going to compile our code. After compiling, as you can see, no errors are there. Now I will run my code. To run my code, I'll right click on my file, click on void main string args, click on enter. Now see the output. My first program and my first program second line. Why it is coming? Let's compare the code. देखो, मैंने आपसे कहा था, I told you before that OOPS follows the bottom up approach. Am I right, student? मैंने बताया था आपको, object oriented programming follows bottom up approach. So you know what, how actually compiler is going to compile my program. Bottom up मतलब क्या होता है कि from bottom to top, we are going to read our line from bottom to top. That's what compiler is doing. Compiler ने क्या कहा कि compiler जैसे ही enter हुआ तो compiler ने सबसे पहले कहाँ देखा कि मेरा main function कहाँ है. See, yesterday I told you What is main function? Main function is a brain of our program. It's a main building block of our program. So whenever you are going to compile your code, your compiler will first of all come and look on to the main function of your program. देखो whenever we enter, let's take an example, आप स्कूल में गए, स्कूल में गए तो आपका सपोज यू हैव सम वर्क विथ योर प्रिंसिपल, तो आप क्या करोगे, आप पहले प्रिंसिपल से मीटिंग करोगे, देन ओनली यू विल गो टू समवेयर एल्स. टेक एन एग्जांपल, यू वांट टू टेक एडमिशन इन योर स्कूल, तो एडमिशन लेने के लिए आप क्या करोगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गो एंड मीट टू द प्रिंसिपल, नॉट टू द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्कूल. एम आई राइट? Similarly, the same thing is going to do done by the compiler also. आपने जो प्रोग्राम बनाया है, कंपाइलर जैसे ही कोड को कंपाइल करेगा, कंपाइलेशन के पहले ही विल चेक वेयर इज माय मेन फंक्शन, फिर जो फंक्शन में जो लाइंस लिखी है वो उसको रीड करेगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका आउटपुट आएगा. नाउ अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माय स्क्रीन, स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल ऑफ यू लुक हियर. नाउ वी विल सी हाउ एक्चुअली माय कंपाइलर इज गोइंग टू वर्क. See here, as I told you, as I press the compile button, what compiler will do? Compiler will first jump to the main function. जैसे ही compiler enters into the main function, he will see कि oh, this student has made an object. This student has made an object of a class snap. मतलब उसको यहाँ पर आने के बाद क्या पता चला कि अरे यहाँ पर तो एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका नाम क्लास है, तो मुझे क्या देखना पड़ेगा, मुझे उस क्लास में जाना पड़ेगा. देन ही विल सी ओके दिस द नेम ऑफ माय क्लास इज स्नैप. नाउ ही विल कम ऑन टू द सेकंड लाइन ऑफ द मेन फंक्शन. सेकंड लाइन इज व्हाट? कंपाइलर विल सी दैट यू आर गोइंग टू कॉल अ फंक्शन नेम्ड एज शो. अब उसे ये पता चला कि अच्छा तो मतलब शो नाम का एक फंक्शन है, फिर वो जाएगा शो फंक्शन के ऊपर एंड देन ही विल रीड ऑल द स्टेटमेंट, और फिर अब वो रीड करेगा स्टेटमेंट को. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है माय फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम, मतलब ये है जो भी यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है वो प्रिंट कर देगा. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पर सबसे पहले क्या प्रिंट हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स? माय फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम. क्या समझ में आया? आर यू पीपल गेटिंग ऑल दिस पॉइंट्स? यस. ओके. Okay, so after printing the first statement of first function, now the object will come onto this next line. But the next line is what? obj.disp. So that means now he will get to know, oh, now the compiler programmer has made another function named as disk. So now after reading this line, the compiler will go to the function named as disk. Now the compiler will read this whole statement and will execute this function. And what we have written in this function? My first program, second line. That's what he will print at the second line. Okay, students, this is called as the bottom-up approach. That means the compiler is going to read the bottom's code first, then only he will go at the top one. So this is what is the elementary concept of classes and object. Students, जो पढ़ाया है आज समझ में आया है आप सभी को? Yes? Okay. So this was the concept of classes and object. Any doubt in today's session? No?